Ronav
Ronav Yuveer Majmudar.
Amara great-grandmother Jyotsanaben Amara Pranam. What are grandparents made of? Hope and pride, pure joy inside, warm hugs and kisses, shooting star wishes, tickles and fun, a sprinkle of sun, hands to hold, hearts of gold. That's what grandparents are made of. Tales from the past, memories to last, laps for reading, I love you greetings, wisdom to teach, always in reach, toys galore, eyes that adore. That's what grandparents are made of. Patience and time, trees to climb, baby photos and frames, childhood games, bragging rights, sleepover nights, comforting arms, magical charms. That's what grandparents are made of. Kindness and care, affection to share, heart-to-heart talks, unhurried walks, faith and trust, spoiling a must, endless love, a gift from above. That's what grandparents are made of.